Kara.
Hey, I'm Stephanie, and we are Virtually Kindergarten.
Today we're sharing our favorite activities to practice sight words with your child. There are so many awesome ideas out there, so today we're sharing our top 10. And these ideas would actually be really great to practice letters too.
Today we have some special helpers who tried out some of these activities, and they gave them 2 thumbs up.
Activity we're going to share is called secret message painting. For this activity, you take a white crayon and a white piece of paper and you write the sight words or the letters, whatever you want your child to practice, on the paper, and then give them some watercolor paint, and when they paint over it, the secret message or secret letters will appear.
For this next activity, your child's going to be using their finger to practice writing sight words in things like sand or rice, flour, shaving cream. You want to do this on a flat surface. You could even do this on something like a baking pan.
Next, we have a fun game called Swat the Sight Word. In this game, your child will have a fly swatter, and you can write sight words on note cards or sticky notes and lay them out, and then you call out a sight word and they have to use their fly swatter to swat the word.
Our kids really enjoyed this one.
It was their favorite.
Next one is called Secret Password. You'll simply write down a sight word or letters that your child's working on, stick them on a sticky note outside of a door that you use often, and as your child comes in that door or out that door, they will just say those sight words as they enter.
For our next activity, we love the idea of doing a scavenger hunt. For this, you could just write the sight words on note cards or sticky notes and go hide them around the house, and then send your child out on a scavenger hunt to find them.
Our next 2 activities you're probably very familiar with, memory and bingo. So for memory, you can just write down the letters or sight words your child's working on some index cards, and just kind of flip them over and have them play the game. And for bingo, we're going to link some free printable bingo mats that you guys can use to play the game with your student. And we had our children use some really fun seasonal counters and erasers to make the game just a little more interesting.
This next idea is great if your child loves to build. If you have Legos or blocks, you can write letters on them, and then your child can use them to build their sight words.
Our final idea is to use some fun things like the seasonal erasers, counters, even beads to form letters in sight words. You
could even use Play-Doh to form the letters in the sight words too. All of these ideas are great no matter what your child's learning, whether it's numbers, letters, shapes, sight words. All of these would be really fun to practice.
If you have any other great ideas, please put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.